Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just gonna be a declutter slash clean slash reorganize with me. It's pretty self-explanatory, so I'm not gonna talk much in this video. So yeah, my shelf was starting to look a little dusty, and you guys will see later in the video, but I just wanted to change up a few of my items that were on display. Even though you guys can't see it, I was just, wiping away any makeup stains or anything else on the shelf. I really need to go in and do like a really deep cleanse where I take everything off and dust and all of that good stuff. But I will do that probably later on this month, because honestly, it's just so much stuff. And every time I look at it, I just don't feel like doing it anymore. So I got this lipstick container from Amazon. I got two, but I really think I need two of them, so I might send the other one back. But I got this to hold my NYX glosses, because I don't know if you guys can't see in the background, but they were all over the place up there, and they were just not sturdy. I ended up getting rid of my P. Louise stuff. Number one, because they were literally just boxes sitting there, and number two, P. Louise is canceled. Unfortunately, I do have a lot of stuff from her company, but I heard that she used the N-word and tried to justify it by saying she had a black boyfriend, which is still unacceptable. So I also want to put some of my palettes on display anyway, because a lot of my palettes are hard to get to. So I ended up replacing it with my NYX lip glosses, and also I added some palettes. Yeah, I went back and looked at this shelf afterwards, and I feel like it looked so tacky. Like, I feel like this thing is a lot of work done to it. I bought some more of these little palette holders, because I kind of want to have some of my palettes on display now. They're like all cluttered over here. I'm gonna show y'all in a second, but I just realized, y'all, I'm gonna have to buy a mic for my actual camera, like one that goes on top of my camera, because if I start vlogging, like this mic right here, it's not gonna get it, because I'm not gonna be walking around with no cord. I can't really show y'all the palettes without being in the camera, but y'all, is real ghetto. Y'all know the little storage bin, y'all can kind of see it over here, but y'all know the little storage bins that you get out of Walmart. Yeah, I just have all my palettes in here, and this is just not gonna work. It's too hard to get to, and it's just too cluttered. So I'm really gonna just focus on like my favorite Morphe palettes, because y'all know Morphe is like my favorite. I'm getting ready to record an entire, okay, hold on. Should have thought this through a little better. But this palette is broke. I'm getting ready to record a whole makeup collection video, which is why I felt the need to, get up and organize and clean up. I don't even think these are gonna fit, honestly. Like, not with this right here. I might have to move this, especially because these Morphe palettes are not little. It's just not gonna be easy to just grab like I thought it was. And this one is broken. Maybe I shouldn't put this one up here. I was looking back at my old videos, and I was like, you really like don't play with color like you used to. Like, you need to get back into that. But yeah, my bigger palettes are just gonna stay where I have them. Like I said, I'm getting ready to do a whole makeup collection video anyway, so you guys will get to see all of my palettes. I don't really like the way I have them stored though. Like, I don't want them in it. Y'all, look at this. I really don't want them stored away in that bin anymore. This right here look a little ghetto. I don't like this. Maybe I just put my collab palettes up and take the basic ones down, because I don't really go to those. Are not my go-to palettes at all. So I might just end up doing like my collab palettes, like my Jaclyn Hill, like all the ones that have like a special packaging. And I have the one from Nikita Dragon coming too, because that one is like the first palette in forever that actually like had me excited. So, and then y'all see I got the Nikki Tutorials palette. I ain't even used it yet, but I'm still gonna use it. But I think I'm gonna remove the Morphe palettes from right here, because like I said, these are not go-to palettes. These are just gonna be sitting here. Yeah, this is not gonna work. So I really want to move my setting sprays from this top shelf to over here, but like, who want to see setting sprays? Because this is gonna be in my background. Like, who want to look at my background and just see setting spray? I don't know, I might just squeeze the lip gloss thing up here and just dedicate this whole shelf to other palettes. I use the Dow bar soap. I use spring water because it really gets my brushes like super clean, like brand new looking clean. And I don't wash my sponges as often as I probably should, but this soap really gets like week old stains out. Like, I know that's probably disgusting, but this soap is really good, and that's why Dow became like my favorite soap to use on my body too, because it's like so far the best soap I've ever used. Like, I've tried so many different soaps for my brushes, y'all, and this is the only one that like really got the makeup out. Alright, now I'm just going through and organizing my storage bin that holds majority of my makeup. This footage right here was recorded, I think maybe like a month or two ago. I've had it for a while and I just didn't re-record it, but that's why you see some of the palettes in the drawer that I put on display. And then here's another one that has all my client makeup and stuff in it. Just going through, getting rid of the makeup I'm not going to use anymore, and just, you know, making it look organized and just really neat. And then something else I did was I picked out all the lashes that I don't wear and I just added them to my client drawer. So this is pretty much what my desk looks like after it's clean. Y'all, it's time for me to expand, because y'all can see like I don't have too much space to work with anymore. Usually when I record a video that my mirror is not sitting up there because it just takes up so much space. But yeah, y'all, this is pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It was just something a little different. Oh yeah, then I went in and added some more of my lip glosses and lipsticks into the container because I had a lot of them just laying around. So that is it for today's video. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed, and I will see you in my next one.